How do I pay with a gift card on DoorDash?
Hello there. In this video, we're going to walk you through how to pay with a gift card on DoorDash. Using a gift card can be a great way to enjoy your favorite meals without worrying about your budget. Now, let's get started.
What do you need?
Before you can use a gift card on DoorDash, you'll need two things. 1. An active DoorDash account. If you don't have one, you can easily sign up on their website or app. 2. A DoorDash gift card. These can be purchased from a variety of retail locations or directly from DoorDash's online store.
How to add a gift card to your account?
The first step to paying with a gift card on DoorDash is to add it to your account. Here's how. 1. Open the DoorDash app or website and log into your account. 2. Tap on the account icon in the lower right corner on the app or upper right corner on the website. 3. Select Gift Card. 4. Enter the gift card code in the designated box. 5. Press Redeem. Now, the gift card balance should be added to your account and ready for use.
How to use your gift card balance for an order?
Now that you have added the gift card to your account, you can use it to pay for an order. Here's how to do it. 1. Select the food items you wish to order from your favorite restaurant. 2. Once you're done, go to the checkout page. You'll see the total cost of your order. 3. Here, the app or website will automatically apply your gift card balance to the total cost. If the gift card covers the total cost, you're all set. If not, you'll need to choose another payment method to cover the rest. Note: DoorDash uses up the gift card balance before it moves on to other payment methods. And that's it. That's how you pay with a gift card on DoorDash. We hope this guide was helpful and makes your next order a little bit easier. Enjoy your meals and happy ordering!